Good morning, everybody. My name is Charles at Pinnacle AI CRM, and we have got a ton of updates for you today, but I want to start off with conversations because, again, everything starts at communication. So what we've done is we've taken your feedback, and one of the frustrations was that you would set the filters and you'd set them how you want, click apply, they apply them, but then you'd navigate away and come back later and those filters are gone. You would have to reset the filters over and over. So now what we're doing is we're actually introducing a new feature called sticky filters. So to enable this feature, you're going to go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to labs. And in here, you're going to be able to see sticky filters. So all you have to do is turn this on, and once this is enabled, you will be able to keep your filters in place even when you navigate away from conversations, when you refresh your tab, when you close your window, come back. If you are managing two different accounts within Pinnacle, as many of our users are, they can actually switch to a different account, switch back, and those filters will still be there. So if you are getting frustrated with not being able to save your filters, just head on over to Labs. This is a great little feature to help productivity, make it even easier and faster for you to get to those conversations that matter.